Wagwan and welcome everybody. Let's chat some Jamaican Patois, okay? So, in Jamaican Patois, usually words that ends with the letters ER and OR, we usually replace those letters with an A. So, for example, the word sister, it becomes sister. And the word teacher, teacher. Computer, computer. The word bigger, we say bigger. Ginger, ginger. Pepper, pepper. The water, water. Dinner, dinner. For the words that ends with OR, doctor, doctor. Visitor, visitor. Okay? So you see, Jamaican Patois isn't hard to learn. Yeah. Big up yourself and like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.